So you following Flexiride's instructions?
Reading some random shit you found on the internet.
How long did it take us to find that shit on the internet?
About 3 days.
Fantastic. Thanks, Flexiride. Punk Rock Monkey, did you enjoy your day out, you little bastard?
Yes.
You're so grounded!
Yeah.
Somebody throw him under the bus.
Yeah.
Gonna use my new set of good wrenches that I finally got to get because I had a place to lock them up. Feel like a kid on Christmas. Idiots with squares. Squares with squares. But they're all triangles. Here we go.
Yeah.
Right here. Those are different sizes than those because the nightmare never ends. So the other one wouldn't go on the other side because it was too low, so I just came to put this one on. And notice I haven't even bolted it down yet. That's the sound of it rubbing against the trailer.